Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, access denied at System Volume Information folder. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Click User. Find your username, my username is BSNLPC. Change account name to your username. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Simply copy the first command and paste it into command window. Simply copy the second command from Notepad, paste it into command window. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.